Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to deposit, withdrawal, buy or sell a share, and then how to set the cut loss. Okay, first of all, you can go to mplusonline. I prefer you guys to use Internet Explorer browser lah. Okay, so after you log in, this is your home screen. Okay, if you want to do a deposit, you can go to payment and then deposit. Okay, so whenever you open it, this will pop up, so you can choose FBX, direct transfer. Okay, so here is the detail you can see. So if you deposit during working day from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then your trading limit, right, will be updated after the payment successful. Okay, so if you deposit on weekend, Mplus only will proceed your payment by next working day. Okay, so everything can be done online. This is an online deposit. Once you come in, then you choose FPX, direct transfer. Okay, so this is the amount you have to key in, and then the remark, you must put something here lah. Okay, so you click submit, then Mplus will direct you to the FPX payment gateway. Okay, here you can proceed to your online banking lah. So this part is done for deposit. You after deposit, right, you can check here the status of your deposit, whether it's successful or not. Okay, so comes to withdrawal you also can do online. Okay, on the withdrawal tab you can click cash. All right, so this is a pop-up you can see, then you choose your client code, withdraw as a IBG lah. Okay, so here you can choose any bank that is a link to your name. Okay, so if you want to deposit want to withdraw to another person, right, Mplus will actually reject the transaction. Okay, so here is the details you can see. Normally if you withdraw during before 12, right, normally the amount will be credited to your bank account on the next trading day normally lah. Okay, so here is the info you have to key in, then you click submit. Okay, so done. So let's say you want to view your information, you can click my account, my profile. Okay, you can see everything here. Okay, so there's a contract note. Every time you buy a share, right, or you sell a share, you can view the so-called statement over here, account, my account, and then contract notes. Okay, here you can download everything. You can download the PDF, and then you can see the details. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to buy a share. Okay, let's say Inari. When you see the Inari, right, you can right click and then you click whether you want to buy or want to sell. Okay, so if you want to buy, you can click here. Then here is the details you want to key in. So normally one lot is represent 100 units. So you click one, or you can simply type how many lots you want at what price. Okay, you can see, let's say you want to buy, the current price is 1.64 right now. Okay, so if you want to buy 1.64, you just click, then the system will automatically bring the price here. Okay, so you can click send now. Send now means it will send this order to the bursa. Okay, normally let's say this one, right? So let's say means when you key in 1.64, right, you see this is a sell Q number 1, means that you direct buy the ticket from the seller. Let's say the current price is 1.64. You only want to buy when the price reach 1.6, then you key in 1.6 and then you send, right? So this order is executed, but it's not matching yet. Okay, it was sent to the order, and then you can check your order over here. My account, sorry, this, you can see your order here, trade history. You click trade history, then you can see your order queue or sell queue over here. Okay, so if you want to sell, you click sell. Okay, you want to sell how much, at what price. Okay, that's all for the basic trading. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to use the stop loss function. Okay, this feature, right, let me use Armada as an example. Okay, if you want to use the stop loss function, you have to inform me, so I will help you to write an email to the support of the Mplus, and then I request to ask them to help you to activate these functions. Okay, let's say I bought Armada, and then I want to set a cut loss. I don't have enough time to monitor. Let's say the price I'm scared when the price going down, so I want to set a cut loss. Okay, after you have this feature, right, and then you bought this share, you can click sell. Okay, so you can see there's a limit here. When you click, there's a stop limit over here. So for the normal account, right, you don't have this feature. You have to ask me first. Okay, let's say the current price is 0.49. Okay, I want to set a cut loss. Cut loss means when the price go to certain price, this Mplus only will trigger my order and then help me to sell immediately and automatically. Okay, so let's say I bought Armada at 0.49. Okay, let's say I bought, for example, one lot, right? I want to sell when the price go to 0.45. I want to sell when the price go to 0.45. So how I'm going to key in this? So I will key in I want to sell how much? Sell how many lots? Okay, let's say one lot lah. This price, right, is how much I want to sell. This stop price is when to trigger this order. Just like I mentioned, I want to sell when the price hit 0.45. Okay, so I will key in 0.45. And then how much I want to sell when the price hits 0.45 or go down to 0.45. I can set, let's say I want to sell when the price go down to 0.45 at 0.45. Okay, so you can just key in like this, and then you click send. Okay, let's say another scenario. I want to set a I want to like trigger this order when the price go to 0.45, and then I want to sell it when it hits 0.45. I want to sell at 0.47. This one also can. Depends on how you set. Normally I won't set like this. Normally the price go down 4 bits, like let's say 2 bits, 0.47. Okay, 0.47. So I will set like this. When the price hit 0.47, and then I will sell immediately at 0.47. Okay, so and then I will click send. So your cut loss order is executed right now. Okay, be aware that you have to choose stop limit over here. Okay, so that's it for the basic tutorial lah. So another example, if you want to add to your, you saw some interesting stock, right? Let's say front can, and then I want to add this stock to my watch list. So after search, I can actually click to here. Sorry, front can. I want to add to my favorites, so I can right click and then add to favorite, my watch list, my favorite watch list, klse tag. This watch list is created by you yourself, and then if I add to my watch list, right, it will automatically show here in my watch list. Okay, it will show here. So basically it's like this. And then if you want to check some useful some top most active counter, you can click here, the drop down, and you can see everything here. So yeah, basically like this. So if you guys do not know not understand anything, you can ask me. So thank you.